Question 17 here is 4 marks. This is Cambridge non-calculator paper. So the question says, this is line L. Find the equation of line L. That's the question. Find the equation of this line. Now, to do this question, let's just zoom in. The equation should be in the form mx plus c. Now, y equal mx plus c. What's c? C is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y. Where does this line crosses y? The line crosses y at 3, so it's going to be 3 here. Y equals something x plus 3. Now what's m? M is the gradient or the slope. That is rise over run. M is rise over run. Then we will need to pick any 2 points and then we do rise over run. This is one nice point. This is not a good point. You don't use this because it's in the middle of nowhere. And this is a perfect point. So we will use these 2 points. So from this point to this point, how many steps do we rise? We rise 1. So the rise is 1. How many steps do we run? We run 1, 2. So the slope m is 1 over 2. And then your equation is just 1 over 2x plus 3. And that's your 2 marks for this part of the question. Now let's look at the second part. The second part says, line L crosses the x-axis at P. Find the coordinates of P. To find the coordinates, you need first to write the equation which we just did. So it's y equals half x plus 3. When the line crosses the x-axis, y is 0. So this is very important. Always when the line crosses the x-axis, the value of y is 0. So substitute 0 equals half x plus 3. And then find x. Now how do we solve this equation? We will do minus 3 on both sides. This will cancel. Then you will have 0 minus 3, which is just minus 3, equals half x. And then we multiply by 2. We multiply by 2. Why? To cancel this 2 here. So, what's 2 times negative 3? 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 equal x. So we got x equal negative 6 and we know y is 0. So the point is going to be 0 in, x is negative 6 and y is 0. So the point is going to be negative 6 and 0, and that's your 2 mark. This is 4 mark question, and that's good. Now let's look at the next question. The next question, oh, it's also some equation.